I'm Matt Hillebrand, joined by Executive Chef Anthony Marino.
Hello, folks.
We're going to talk about high-end on a budget.
Yeah, this is a great segment. This is the most bang for your buck, right?
You know, and not everybody can afford a high-end appliance brand, right? You can't afford a Sub-Zero, Wolf, Miele, Thermador,
Gaggenau,
Monogram, etc. But there are brands out there that give you that high-end look and give you great performance at a much, much better price.
And that's very true. I mean, a lot of these brands, like that we mentioned, you talk about Signature Kitchen Suites. Underneath that, is a few other brands like an LG Studio or an LG. So there are, grades of, different grades of the appliance world.
Yeah, and GE Monogram. So a brand below would be GE Cafe. Cafe has a lot of great products that are built on a similar platform as the Monogram. Don't have as many features, and don't have that that high-end appeal in certain aspects. But they do offer a great look, great performing products at a great price point.
Right, and they really cover your needs and kind of extend it too. I mean, we're really seeing a lot in that mid-range of what it can do and what it features, right?
Absolutely, and when we consider, let's say, LG Studio Line, Studio Line has a lot of great features. I'm looking around at our showroom. Unfortunately, you listeners out there, don't get the visual, but we're at our Cannonsburg location, and we've got a great studio appliance suite in white with rose gold.
Yeah, it's like a brushed rose. Yeah, brushed rose knobs and that bespoke line, unbelievable though. Right?
Bespoke from Samsung is great also.
Too, yeah.
Samsung offers a great step down from their Decor high-end line, and it is high-end on a budget.
Sure. I mean, between the Studio and that Samsung, they are connected appliances. I mean, they're offering you all the fit and finish. The LG has the different ices and things like that. So, and, the app-based stuff, air fry features. I mean, I look at it and I get excited because there's, a ton to do. Great convection cooking, premium induction as well. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you can get premium induction in a product far, far less than, let's say, a Wolf induction range, a Thermador induction range, Monogram, Decor, etc. I mean, there are definite options out there.
And color options too. I mean, you touched on the Cafe as well. I mean, that's great colors, great finishes. You know what I mean? You can't, and if you don't want the same, if you don't want the standard stainless, I mean, you have options for, pops of color and different finishes. I mean, it doesn't really, it's not custom to a T, but it really helps out.
Yeah, and what's cool about the Cafe is that, you do have different color options. You can do stainless, but they offer accent knobs and handles.
Sure.
Which I really like because, as trends change in a kitchen, right? So brushed nickel or polished nickel was the number one, accent knob pull, handle pull. And now it's back to gold or it's copper or, a variation.
Sure, and what's going to come down the line.
You can change that without changing out your product.
That's great. Bosch is another one. It's a great name. You know what I mean? It's honest, great dishwashers, but I mean their cooking and their refrigeration's great too. I mean their 36-inch French door. I mean that is a great fridge. To be in that lineup. Great ice. Dual condensers, you know what I mean?
Dual compressors.
Compressors.
Yeah, the dual compressor, which, you typically have to go to a high-end brand like Sub-Zero to get dual compressors. And the advantage to a dual compressor is you're not moving air from one compartment to another, and it allows your refrigerator to not freeze because you're not bringing frozen air from your freezer. So it's going to prolong the life of your fruits and vegetables. You're going to get much, much better humidity control. And
probably some longevity too. I mean, it's not working as hard with one compressor. You're working with two. I mean, and that's a great buy for that price.
Yes, you're getting German engineering.
Yeah.
With a a lot of the features we really need here in the U.S.
Sure. I mean, even the Bosch dishwasher. I mean, it's one of the best rated dishwashers, right? You know, I know Mila's sweet in your heart. I know, but we're talking mid range here.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
mid-range price point.
I mean, Mila has an opener though.
They do. They do.
Yeah.
But Bosch offers much better price points, and if you're looking for luxury on a budget, the Bosch is a much better way to really look at and figure out if it fits what you're looking for.
Let's talk about laundry on a budget too. Let's talk about some of that luxury laundry on a budget. Where are you going?
Luxury laundry, LG or GE?
Sure.
The GE profile piece is a very nice front load and top load washing machine.
Sure.
You can get it for low thousands, or you can get the non-profile for under $1,000 in a front loader, and under $700 in a top loader. And LG just offers just great products across the spectrum.
Yeah, you're right. The ThinQ, the app-based stuff. I mean, they're one's the best. I mean, I really like it. Sleek, if you need it in there. I mean, especially like, we think, on a budget, maybe you need it, maybe you want it to look a certain way. Maybe you want it to look a little sleeker. I mean, LG is going to really where you're going to, kind of gravitate towards, I feel like.
Yeah, and I think the two best front load brands out there right now are LG and GE. I've got GE front loads. I've got the all-in-ones right now. And I am a big fan of the all-in-one washer dryer combo from GE. That particular piece, if you consider buying a washer and dryer, and if you just buy that piece alone, it's going to end up being a little bit less than the two pieces. But what I like is that you don't have to move from one machine to the other. It's just done all in one.
It's efficient. You know what I mean? It's efficient. You don't have to worry about not changing over that load. Did I do that? Is my washer going to be smelly? No, it goes right over to a dry.
Yep.
Microwave's probably a good one too if we want to touch on microwave on a budget. You know what I mean? You can go all the way up. You can go all the way down too.
Yeah, you can get an Invanium microwave from GE that is very efficient, but it's not necessarily a budget microwave. But GE offers the non-Invanium microwaves for reasonable price, and if you're just using a microwave to reheat, you can get a nice stainless steel looking microwave, with just basic reheat features, for under $300.
Sure.
It's definitely an option. So when you're looking at different products, whether it be laundry products, cooking products, or even our wet products, our dishwashers,
sure,
or even garbage disposals for that matter, there are products out there that you can get luxury features on a budget.
100%. And there are deals to be had.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean? So
it definitely is something to consider. You can go to donsappliances.com to check our website to see the latest promotions or latest deals. Go to our YouTube channel.
Yeah, stop in the showroom too. Come on and see us.
Absolutely. Thank you for listening. Chef, always a pleasure.
All right. Love it, guys. Appreciate it.